I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolates in molds easy method. Start by chopping 1 cup chocolate and melting it gently over simmering water, stirring until smooth and glossy. Next, temper by cooling to the correct temperature, then gently rewarm to working heat. Pour into molds, tap to release bubbles, and chill until set. Unmold carefully and finish with decorations or fillings as desired for beautiful homemade chocolates. Melt chocolate slowly and avoid steam or any water contact, which can seize it. Aim for the correct temperatures based on your chocolate type, cool to stabilize crystals, then gently reheat to the working temperature. Use a thermometer or reliable visual cues, and always test a small drop on parchment to confirm a firm snap and glossy finish. This tempering step ensures your chocolates have great texture and shine for professional results. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and tips. On another note, here's a quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with learning practical skills like chocolate making. Check the description for the link and other deals and save it for later. Now let's get back to the video. Choose clean, dry molds and warm them slightly in your hands if they feel cold, which helps with release. Pour or pipe tempered chocolate into each cavity, tapping the mold on the counter to remove trapped air bubbles. If adding fillings, layer as needed and seal with more chocolate. Place molds on a level tray and chill until fully set, then gently flex molds to release perfectly shaped chocolates ready for final touches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.